I don't know if you guys have been to any of those large scale events where every speaker is talking about their own particular thing. And at the end, they pitch a program. And so at that time, you see and determine whether or not a person is really value-based or if they are sales-based. And so I think that that is the big distinction that we're making about when you're selling something from the stage. Now, one of the favorite people I ever saw that sold from the stage was a woman by the name of Dottie Walters. And Dottie was a speaker and speaker agent way back in the day. She was one of the original speaker agents out in California. And one of the magical things that she did was she passed out these books that she was selling, and she'd put them in everybody's hand, and then she'd say, okay, go to page 25, now go to page 40, now go to page 98. And she would refer to these really highly specific, knowledgeable things. And then she'd say, okay, close it up, pass the books forward. And then, hey, these books are for sale, and come meet me at the back of the room. And if you are interested and you buy it today in the next 10 minutes, you're going to get an extra something. And she'd always sweeten the pot. And so there's ways to do it without sounding super salesy. The option, or I guess the best thing to do, is to really bring value, and then to have a hook where it's something that people want. So you've got to know your audience for sure. What are their needs? What are their problems? You can go on artificial intelligence now and ChatGPT, OpenAI, and chat and write in, what are the problems? What are they afraid of? What are they missing? And so you can answer the need by giving products and services based on what their fears are and what they're not good at. So that's my best suggestion, is when you're doing an upsell, you can present one program and then even maybe one other program. And there are a lot of speakers that will do an isolated, exclusive event. They'll only do one, or maybe they'll do two. They'll put it out for the whole audience and pack a whole bunch of different bonuses in there. And they will have people scrambling to try to compete with each other. If it's not exclusive and you can get it the next day, you can get it the next week, you can think about it, people are not going to make that impulse decision and buy it. So you work with a marketing person, or write it down, rehearse it, and then when you're going up on stage, or it's in your newsletter or something, you've got that urgency. The sense of urgency is really important. All right, guys, I hope this is helpful. And if you need any other tips on this, message me, let me know, and I will see you on the next video. Take care.